Are you a dog mama with income but no reliable system to scale it? Or are you already motivated, you're watching all the videos, and you're hoping that you'll start one day? Or are you not broke, not lazy, but burned out, skeptical, and stuck? Or are you tired of the maybe someday and scared you'll waste your time again? Or are you constantly circling the videos, watching people do live streams because no one's shown you a system that you can trust to work? See, if you're in this state, you're not stuck. You're stalling. You're stalling because you haven't worked on the mental side of launching a business digitally, even when the whole business is literally laid out for you step by step. You still won't start. Why? Because you're stalling. You're afraid of failure. You're afraid of self-sabotage. You're currently sabotaging yourself because you won't let yourself get from the starting point to the journey. You're doing all these things to keep yourself safe. And I know I was there too, and I had lots of blocks, but I worked through them one by one and I crushed them. So now I have my own digital business and I am following it step by step, and I'm plugged in, I'm working the system, and you know what? I am so much better off than when I started because I now have skills that nobody can take away from me. I know how it works. I know how to make money. And you know what? It's not about the money. It's about moving yourself from the mental space that you're in to the person you need to become to make multiple six figures, to make seven figures and beyond. And you're afraid of changing and growing and evolving into that person because it's going to take some pain. It's going to take some uncomfortableness. You have to learn to be comfortable in the uncomfortableness. And if you're ambitious, if someone were giving you oxygen and you needed more oxygen, right? Like if you needed something so badly that you were willing to step into that space, that's the place you need to be. Because most people don't want to stay stuck where they are. Most people want to move forward in a powerful way, and it means moving forward even though everything isn't perfect, even though everything's going to be chaotic, even though you're going to move forward and make lots of mistakes. You have to be ready to make mistakes. You have to be ready to forgive yourself and keep moving forward. If this is you and you're willing to be coachable, willing to change, willing to follow a proven system, this is for you. It's your digital business. And you know what? It's done for you, but that doesn't mean that you won't have to put in work. You will. You will have to put in work because that's how you make it your own. If you want to know more about how I'm doing this, see, I invested in myself and I'm moving forward. I've learned the skills of attraction marketing. I've learned all these things in a short period of time. And my business is already set up. I can scale it to the moon. If you want that kind of digital business that will only take you a short time every day to manage and run, you should check out freedomdailypaybusiness.com. Yes, you have to take action. You have to put your email in. That's the first step. If you're not willing to put in your email, just keep scrolling. Keep going from shiny object to shiny object. This is not for you. This is only for the people who are willing to put in their email, watch a video, and learn what could be their future life.